Okay, let's look at the second set. We have a chart given, and the legend is first class, second class, standard class, something, something. The different bars in the diagram above provide information about the different orders in various categories, arts, binders, blah, 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 that were booked in the first 2 weeks of September of a store for one client. The color and pattern of the bar denotes the ship mode, either first class or second class or standard class. The left end point of a bar indicates the booking day of the order. Okay. While the right end point indicates the dispatch day of the order. Kab order aaya or kab order gaya. Okay. The difference between the dispatch day and booking day, measured in terms of number of days, the difference between the dispatch day and the booking day, measured in terms of number of days, is called the processing time of the order. So let's say we are looking at this second class order for storage. It was received on 2nd September. It was dispatched on 7th September. So the processing time is 5 days. Processing time is 5 days because it says difference between the dispatch day and booking day. 2 and 7, difference between it is 5, like that. Okay. No two consecutive orders of the same category had identical ship mode during this period. This line here gives me I think the original question framer had different sets of questions in mind, and finally the form of the set that came out was a different form, because this line makes absolutely no sense, adds nothing to our solution, adds nothing to it, because even when you look at the graph, no two consecutive orders of the same category had identical ship mode. That is absolutely apparent from the graph. Absolutely apparent from the graph. Or maybe what they wanted to say was, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था कि ये एक ऑर्डर का एंड था और फिर यहां से दूसरा ऑर्डर चालू हो गया. Maybe, but ठीक है, चल रहा. Let's work. Now I अभी in this very moment I realized इसका कुछ purpose हो सकता है, but ठीक है. Okay. For example, there were only 2 orders in the furnishing category during this period. Furnishings category. 1st September को पहला आया, 5th September को गया, तो 4 डे प्रोसेसिंग टाइम लग गया. 5th September को दूसरा ऑर्डर आया, 12 September को क्या, तो 7 डे प्रोसेसिंग टाइम हो गया. तो 4 and 7 प्रोसेसिंग टाइम एग्जांपल्स से भी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. ओके, लेट्स लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस. How many days between September 1 and September 14, both inclusive, had no booking from this client considering all the above categories? Basically, what this thing is, no bar should be starting on that particular day. So visually देख रहे हैं, September 1 को हाँ ये चालू हो रहा है तो नहीं काउंट होगा. September 2 को ये चालू हो रहा है, नहीं काउंट होगा. September 3 को ये चालू हो रहा है, नहीं काउंट होगा. September 4 को टेबल्स में काउंट हो रहा है, नहीं चालू होगा. September 5 को फर्निशिंग्स में चालू हो रहा है, नहीं काउंट होगा. September 6 को फास्टनर्स में चालू हो रहा है, नहीं काउंट होगा. September 7 को स्टोरेज में चालू हो रहा है, नहीं काउंट होगा. September 8 को no order is starting, so 8th I am counting. Let's look at 9th. Nothing starts, nothing starts, nothing starts, nothing starts. So 9th also should be counted. 10th देख रहे हैं, nothing starts, nothing starts, nothing starts. So 10th should also be counted. 11th, nothing starts. 12th, nothing starts. 13th, art starts on 13th, so 13 should not be counted. 14th, nothing starts. All these days should be counted because you are only looking at September 1 to September 14. For these 6 days, had no booking from this client. So answer to the first question is 6. Second question is, what was the average processing time of all the orders in the categories which had only one type of ship mode? Only one type of ship mode basically translates into the entire bar that you have should be of a single color. art, binders, paper, phones, appliances, bookcases, fasteners, furnishings, labels, tables, chairs, and storage doesn't qualify. Only accessories and envelopes do. So for it started on September 1 and was dispatched on September 19th. So 18 for the first one. And for envelopes, started on September 3, was dispatched on September 7. So 4 days, 18 plus 4, altogether 22, because you're looking at average. Divide it by 2. You get your average as 11. That is the answer to this question. Next one. The sequence of categories, arts, binders, papers, and phones in decreasing order of average processing time of their orders in this period is. Okay, let's look at art. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 20. 20 by 5. So art का average आ रहा है 4. Binders का देखते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orders. Started on 1st, went up till 16. So 15 by 4, binders have an average of 3.75. Let's look at paper. 1, 2, 3, started on 2nd, ended on 12th. So 12 minus 2, 10, 3.33. And finally, phones. 1, 2, 3, started on 2nd, ended on 17th. So 15 by 3, 5. So the order, because you want it in decreasing order, it has to be phones, arts, binders, paper. Or option B, phones, art, binders, paper. Okay. Last question, approximately what percentage of the orders had a processing time of 1 day during the period September 1 to September 22? Okay. So 1 day ka processing time बाद में गिनेंगे. First, how many orders are there? We have to count. Storage के लिए we have 2 orders, envelopes के लिए 1 order, accessories के लिए 1 order, chairs के लिए 2 orders, tables के लिए 2 orders, labels के लिए 2 orders, furnishings के लिए 2 orders, fasteners के लिए 3 orders, bookcases के लिए 3 orders, appliances के लिए 2 orders, phones के लिए 3 orders, papers के लिए 3 orders, binders के लिए 4 orders, art के लिए 5 orders. Now ऐसे लिख के कर सकते हैं काम, which is fine, but I personally preferred counting it this way, क्योंकि यहाँ लिखने में ना I have done this simply to showcase one thing, because we are recording it in a sheet of paper by after looking at a screen, तब हम कर रहे हैं. I still have an advantage कि हम screen के ऊपर लिख पा रहे हैं. When you're doing it in a piece of paper, maybe you skip over a number, maybe you skip over a heading, and then it could create a problem. इसीलिए what was more useful was हम screen पे एकदम उंगली रख के गिन रहे थे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. There are 35 orders in total. And now I only have to look at orders that have a processing time of 1 day. So, करते गए, chairs में I get 1. Bookcases में I get 2 and 3. Phones में I get 4. Binders में I get 5 and 6. And art में I get 7. I get 7 in total. 7 by 35 is 1 by 5, or it is equal to 20%. In terms of utilizing this on a screen, वहां पे भी ये नहीं, चुपचाप से बैठ के काउंटिंग करा था धीरे से. You get to 20%. Very, very straightforward question. Hopefully nobody made a mistake in this.